Between orientation, CCA trials, and just figuring out JC life, I barely kept up with econs in the first few months of school. But by the time I realized that I was falling behind, promos were only a few months away, and it was terrible. I had gaps in my content. I didn't even know how to write an essay, and I had no idea where to start revising. But I didn't need someone to tell me just to study harder. I needed an actual plan. And that's why everything changed when I joined ETG Expedite. And the first thing they gave me wasn't a textbook. It was a revision schedule, week by week, topic by topic, all the way to promos. I finally knew exactly what to do and when. From the get-go, I got access to 26 recorded lessons to catch me up with everything from January to June, but at my own pace. I also attended weekly lessons either on-site or on Zoom. They also delivered a set of fully printed study materials and textbooks right to my doorstep. I also got access to 52 masterclass short videos for quick revision. And anytime I felt stuck, I could just WhatsApp or Zoom consult. Oh, and the kicker is, the tutor who designed this entire program is also the same person who wrote the answers for the TYS answer case. So what it means is that you're learning from the source. But the thing that helped me most, I sat through 4 graded mock exams before I even went for the exam. So by the time I walked into the exam hall, everything just felt familiar. If your J1's been messy and promos are coming up, check out ETG Expedite at the link below.